Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to find the area and the perimeter of an octagon. So an octagon is like the shape with like 8 sides, so that's called an octagon. But yeah, so I'm going to include iOS stream, which is our input output stream, so we can have like we can input something and output something, and yeah, and using our namespace std, so we don't have to write this in front of every line of code. All right, so I'm gonna use a void function. I'm gonna call it area and per of an octagon, and we're gonna be taking a double value of side. The reason we're using side is because an octagon could also have a decimal measurement type shit. So like the side could be 1.1 or 1.4, or it also could be 1.0. So yeah. So the area of an octagon is 2 side square bracket 1 plus square root 2 bracket close. So yeah, and so to break it down into code form, you're just gonna do 2 times power side. Oh, look, call side 2, so it's like, so it's gonna be side square. My bad. So it's side square. It's gonna be 2 times power side square, which is gonna be like 2 times side square times this part right here, which is gonna be 1 plus what's it called, square root of 2. Okay, so to find the square root of 2, we're going to do power 2 0.5. The reason we do 0.5 is because if we break down square root into what's it called, into a power value, it's going to be 2 over 1 over 2. Okay, so yeah, this is the area formula right here. Be careful with the brackets because they're very key. Like this bracket, for example, like this bracket's for the power, and this bracket holds in like the entire like bracket like this. So this is that, like that, and this is this right here. And then the perimeter, we just add up all 8 sides, which is side plus side plus side plus side 8 times. And then here we're going to be console outputting, which is going to be the area of the octagon will be area. And here we're going to be also outputting again console output, which the perimeter is going to be per. I like calling these actually per. But anyways, the main function we're going to use a double value of, we're just going to call it SD, and then we're going to see out enter the length of the side of one side of the octagon. Well, octagon usually has equal sides, so we just say enter the length of the side of the octagon. So we console input SD, and then we just like, this is just and also we just skip a line so we can have the answer like under our what's it called, question type shit. So we're gonna just call the function and call it area per octagon, and then just gonna put in our double value of SD, which is our side. And yeah, I'm just gonna run the program now. And that should take me too long though. So yeah, just like zoom in. So we entered 10, and so the area of the octagon is 482.843, and the perimeter is 80. And if you guys want to add your units, you could just add your units like this. You just gonna be like, let's just call it units. Whatever units you guys want to use, I'm just gonna call it units. Whatever units, so it could be like centimeters, meters, blah blah blah. So just like add a here units. Yeah. And yeah. So yeah. I'm just gonna run the program again. I'll try a different value. Let's say let's call what's this called? Let's say 20. Just say 17. So 205 to 20 meters. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.